So welcome back to the stream, anyone who joining me for the continuing development of the OpenSuspect project, in which we are trying to move forward, so we'll see how this goes. So what I'm doing to do is working on this playable character thing, which is, if I check my git status here, I think I committed everything I wanted. I merged in all the things I needed, and now it's time to rock and roll and I guess in the game make our characters actually customizable. So now what happens is, if I just game, I can randomize my appearance, but if I just get into the game, my appearance has not been applied, so this is the generic character with the generic design. We need to do is we need to get the character.tscn, which is this dude here, I guess, which has this skeleton, and we need to be, this needs to be customizable. So first of all, there should be something in the character that can set its own skeleton to the specific outfit we want to give it, because our skeleton node contains its function already, which will apply the outfit, and I need to add this to the character itself. Can I just close this thing here? Yes. Get outfit and set. Is there no set outfit? Set look direction. We have that. Okay, where is any reference to outfit? Get the outfit of the character. So we already have some functionality implemented, but we also need the set outfit function, which will get a dictionary and will return a nothing. And set outfit will need, I will cheat, and basically I will be copying whatever I already implemented for the menu player, I think. So if we go to this code here, wait, does menu player not have its own code? Then I guess I'll need to get another one from... Okay, this menu player, this is very weird. Do we use the menu player scene at all? I'm not even sure about that, to be honest. But there is this icon character. This has its own code, and this is the how the apply outfit looks like. So why don't we... Maybe this should not be set outfit, this should be set appearance. Yeah, and it will just get the outfit and the colors dictionaries. And then I guess we can just go through all these. And of course there is no such thing as current outfit, we are just looking outfit, and colors. So this, well, we need to define a skeleton. on our character here, which is not yet defined. So on ready var skeleton equals character elements skeleton. Okay, so this should work, of course, but this is only our character representation, the graphical representation of the character, while the backend of the character should be actually that is a character resource, and this should also have a set. Oh, this has a set outfit. I think it's better to change this to the same thing that we already have here. And oops, let's hide this for a moment. And then basically outfit equal, okay, new outfit, and make it new colors. And also colors underscores colors equal new colors, and then I also need this colors variable as a dictionary here. And this one also can just set the character node dot set appearance to the outfit and color. So all right, so this is kind of the basics for that. So we have an appearance, a set appearance function for both the character resource and the character node. Now we just need something to call this, and when we are starting the game, that's the point when this should be called. So that one is in, no, not here. I want to, where should I do this? So actually, probably in the auto load for the networking, because characters, no, not characters, probably in the connections. In the connections we can there is a way to send data to the server here, and the server will call the add character at this point. So I guess we can just receive character data as a dictionary here, and then this receive player data is going to be called by many. It's a new player data to open. Oh, Okay, so every time should this be sent over though at this point, or should we do this in the lobby already? So when we join the lobby, well, I guess this makes some sense to receive all these character data. Game scene, add character. In the game scene, which is this one, we have the add character. Alright, so how should I do that? Welcome to the chat, Moxalex. Happy birthday. So what's going down? Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to synchronize, well, how to apply and synchronize the character customizations. And what part? So I think when we do add character, when we are adding a new character, I guess we could also get the character data here and just so the character data should be a dictionary, like, I don't know, colors, and then outfit, and whatever we add in the future. This is how it should look like. In my currently that's how I imagine it. And I think so at this point it makes sense to just send all this information at the moment of joining the game and applying this at that moment. Maybe before spawn character. Or maybe, yeah, I think maybe before spawn character it makes sense to first try to apply character appearance to the character. That would be new character resource dot set appearance character data outfit and character data colors. Right. And when we add character, so that means now the Godot should complain to me wherever I need this dictionary. And then let's go from the backwards. So that we just implemented here how to apply the character data. I already implemented it in the character resources and the character resource and character node. So now we just make the great game break, and wherever it breaks is where we need to take a look. So game scene, when we add the character from the server side, then we should add our own character to that, like the character information too. All right, that makes sense, and that makes me question this decision though, because create game and then just add the character. But I guess this is the server, and when else would the server apply the customization if not at this point? So, I mean, if anyone has a better idea, then you know, it's always welcome. Before first, let's create character data, or like collect character data maybe. Yeah, so character data, and there will be var character data dictionary, and character data outfit equals appearance dot current outfit. Character data colors will be current colors. No? Yeah, there is a current colors. Alright, and then the add character can just use this character data. And of course, if there will be any changes, then there will be implemented. So in a server case, now I can create a game, and okay, still broke. Non-existent function, apply appearance in base nil. So there's a problem here with our character, and that is it does not have its skeleton yet. So the thing is, if we check out our remote here, the character has not been yet instanced. So that makes me think that this approach is not going to work. So maybe at the add character point we cannot do that just now. Well, actually we can add the appearance to the character resource. Maybe that's what I need to do. Maybe that's what I need to do. I just add the character resource can already store the data. The problem is not there. The problem is not with storing the data. The problem is, of course, setting the appearance on the character, on the node, character node. So in the character resource, I can just have a separate function, apply appearance, apply appearance. And this one will not be called yet. So when is this function going to be called? That's the next question to figure out. So you can set the appearance. It would be nice if my character node could just tell me when it's ready. that it is ready to apply the appearance. So character.gd at the moment does not have a ready function, right? Yeah, we don't have a ready function here. I cannot see any, and search also does not give me any. Can we do call deferred though on the character node? How does it work? I don't know. The variable number of arguments. Does this make any sense? Set appearance and then underscore outfit underscore. If there is one thing in Godot I just don't like, is that you are referring to functions as the strings of their names. That's just so weird. Oh, we got a tofu block here instead. I guess something's not working. So apparently I don't need this. I can just use call deferred. That's nice. But I can use call deferred, but I don't use something properly here. Welcome P4 to the stream. A bushwalk. What's a bushwalk? And well, so Maxwell is going on a bushwalk. At least that's his guess. Because the character, what does the character do when it receives the customization? Where? Set appearance. Let's just put a breakpoint in here and let's see. I guess a walk through the bush. Well, that would make sense. I just never heard anyone calling a walk through the bush a bushwalk. So this one, yeah, this makes sense. All right. So we receive the outfit and the colors. And then we need the outfit paths. And then let me put this here. Let's run this until this point, and the outfit paths contains the dictionary with all these clothes: left arm, right arm, pants, left leg, right leg, body, mouth. So it has all the proper texture file when Australians walk into bushes and other shrubbery and encounter hostile fauna. That's a bushwalk. Got to watch out for the drop bears. Yeah, I guess so. If there are drop bears, you should be watching out for them. While I'm thinking, watch this animation showing all my social media and other links. Alright. What am I thinking about? What am I thinking about is Why on earth does it not work when I call the skeleton's apply appearance function? Oh, because I am calling it with the wrong variable. Oh, yeah. That's why I need the outfit paths here. Alright. So, create game. I guess I could have removed these breakpoints. Yep. Alright, customized character is loaded. He's sliding. I'm not the one who should be doing the animations. If I will be doing the animations, things will look very weird. The only way to avoid the drop bears is to rub Vegemite under these armpits. I guess that could work. Okay, so we did it for the server, which is nice. Let me start another Godot instance somewhere and just run. Create a server. And then we are going to try to join to that server, and of course it will break the game, but that's how we are developing it. I learned it from Coding Daily, the best programming YouTube channel you can find. Oh man, oh, this looks like an angry scientist over here. Let's join the game. And let's see what breaks. Now, of course, the add character here would need the game data. We can stop this. And we can stop this too. So this one needs game data. Because the game scene add character requires the game data dictionary. And from that we will have to receive the game data. Imagine the smell. That's why the drop bears avoid you, because Vegemite mixed with your armpit sweat, that's the secret sauce. Well, it's not game data, it's character data, right? What am I doing? Yeah, character data. This will be all character data, and I don't know. Hang me for my long variable names. And then I guess all character data and player. The player should be the key. And this should be a dictionary. And now, I guess we know that this receive bulk player data is what we need to find. And not just list connections, but also all player data. How do we get all player data? Should the server have an all player data dictionary all the time? Or do we compile it every time some new player joins? That's the two options we have. We have two options. First of all, I can just put the all player data here as a global variable in connections, which would be kind of duplicating a lot of things, I would think. So maybe it's a better idea just to have a function that compiles the all player data, because we don't need to do that that often, and it makes more sense than trying to keep a parallel records of everything. So function compile all player data, and this will of course return a dictionary. Isn't there like a list connections? Isn't this a global variable incidentally? I think it should be. What do I recon? Should we merge Bertha? Well, I already merged it into this branch I'm working on it, so I think why not? I want to do that on stream. So you want me to take a break and merge that? Alright, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's merge something really huge. Why is this complaining? Because I forgot the colon. This is var. Alright, so let's go to GitHub. So, GitHub, the home of many open source projects, including OpenSUS, and merging of Bertha, character import, mega branch. So this is what happens when you just keep adding and adding and adding new things, and then suddenly figuring out what else to add, and then adding that, and then figuring out what to fix, and then fixing that, and then fixing it more, and then fixing it even more, and then fixing it even more. So, are you dizzy now? Okay, merge pull request, confirm, done. One less issue. So if we go to alpha milestone, this is the things that we have left to do, and currently 23% complete. And I guess now that we did that, there is something I have to do, but I cannot do because I'm already in my branch. Well, what I can do is I can just save whatever progress I've made, whatever XQs of a progress I've made, and I can just pull this. Okay, so at least let's keep it syntactically correct. Alright, so let me close Godot before everything goes crazy. Let's check the git status. Alright, so these are the things that have been changed. In my git stash is currently empty, so let's just stash all of this. Alright, we have that stash there, and let's git fetch upstream. Let's check out the git graph. So upstream playable character of origin playable. Upstream main is now, like, I don't know what's going on here, but this is kind of the way it took. Origin character import is here, So that's mine, character import, that's mine, upstream character import, upstream appearance, refactor. Oh, alright. So this is where upstream main is, and now git switch main, and then I guess git rebase upstream main. Successfully rebased and updated refs heads main. So my git graph is that main and upstream main are in agreement, and then git push origin main, so I will put it to my own fork. I will push it to my own fork. Come on. And now voila. Everything is on this head. Main, upstream main, and origin head. Great. And now back to git switch playable character, git merge main. I need to sign this, of course, and then that's my git graph here is somehow related to the main. Where is the main? Where did the main go? Oh, it's here. Yeah, so we are on main. Over main, but we have this stash here which we have to pop on it. And now, alright, now we are just working on this playable character whatever thing here. And I can reopen Godot without actually killing things. Alright, so Moxfolix have a nice bushwalk. Take care of the drop bears, I guess, and yeah, use a lot of Vegemite, I guess, to make sure you're okay. And we're back to whatever I was doing before, which is somewhere in connections. And we are going to be compiling all player data, which at this point, player data going to be a new dictionary and player data outfit equals something, and player data colors will equal something, and all player data players, what? All player data players. Oh yeah, if you are in the US, you should already be sleeping, P4. Have a good night. I am just going to try to finish this, if I can. So when I create the characters, I use outfit and colors. Nice. And that's why I will need my character resource to be able to get outfit, which will return outfit really nicely. And the same with get color. which will get colors, which will return colors. So this will be characters dot what? Characters dot get character resource. Okay, maybe I can get this character resource. Characters dot get character. Oh wait, there is a function called get character resources. And this just returns all the character resources in once. Okay, so maybe that's the better idea. It doesn't really matter, but in this case, maybe because I will use all the characters, get character resources, so it makes sense to just get a dictionary. What? And just get all the resources at once, and we can iterate using this player or something. Characters. For player, why is it players? It should be just player, singular. Player, collector resource, player dot get outfit. Yep. And then get color. Get color or get colors? Get colors. All player data equals player data. Alright. So now we have a compilation of all player data. And we can RPC the receive bulk player data with this. Which will ultimately add all the characters one by one. Okay, so let's see what's the next breakage point. So let me run the game from here as a server. Let's run the game here as a player, like just join the game. And now what breaks? Trying to get a non-existent character resource with network ID. From update all character positions. That's a weird thing to break. That is a very, very weird thing to break. Especially because it has nothing to do with what I was doing here. Update all character positions. Is used in an RPC, it will only be run on client, yes. So this is how the server tells me the new positions, and this is what breaks. This indeed should be unreachable. I mean, we should already have all the characters created by the time. Well, maybe it was just unlucky timing. But it's possible to just have such unlucky timing that we ran into some problem like that, which is not related to whatever I'm doing, so I don't really want to debug it. What? Run the game. Did the game just become so big that I just cannot debug it? Did we leak memory? Oh, shoot. Debugging process started, debugging process stopped. The hell is wrong with you? So can't I cannot just run 2 instances of this for some reason suddenly, even though I could like literally 10 minutes ago. The debugging process just stopped and it tells me nothing. What the heck? Suddenly something unrelated happens. Did Godot get corrupted? I mean, I closed it and opened it again, so... I guess I can just kill it. Oh no. This is not what I wanted to do. I wanted to run it like this, in windowed mode or floating mode. This works. And this doesn't. Oh! Now it seems to be working. Alright. I don't know what the hell just happened there. What I can tell you is that this thing is really slow now. So what will break next time? This, the get character resource from the update all character positions. So I guess what's happening here is that now, for some weird reason, the So when the character's movement, if you are on a server, you use RPC to update all character positions. And if you are the client, you receive this. So this is done, I think, maybe 30 times a second. And when you receive it, you will just try to apply the position that you received onto the character resource. Now what's up? So this one, however, doesn't seem to be working, because this function is being called before we actually had a chance to create these characters on our map. And this is because once we start the game, so this is transition handler, we'll switch the scene. Where do we add? Enter lobby, switch scene to the game scene, then game scene load map. So we load the map for the lobby. And before we get to the point of creating these characters, we probably already receive. So this is where we create the characters, like the add character function. So let me just and then just let's make a load map here. And what else do we do? When we receive the connection, we print debug connected, which I guess and once we are connected, alright, so this one actually, we should make, so what I don't want to do, where was this? Okay, so I think I don't need to do all this because I think I already kind of guess the problem here, which is the connected. Okay, this happens, so connected, even this debug is not printed properly here, or even if it's printed. RPCs receive new player data, enters lobby. So the server, when the server receives the new player data, so this, let me just go to the GitHub here and to the wiki. Keeping track of clients works like this. So when you join the game, you connected OK and enter the lobby. So you are in the lobby, and this happens. So you call the server, you send your data to the server, you move. So this happens before anything else. You enter the lobby, switch to the game scene, load the lobby map, and deal with the spawn positions. And no one is joined yet. So after that happens, or during that happens, the server receives your data and then sends back the server name and then sends all player data back. So this happens later, that you receive this bulk player data which contains the server characters information, but the server is already adding its own character or your character to the character, what is it, resource and then creates a character for you, but you are still just maybe at the point where you did not receive this bulk player data, but the server already knows you connected, so maybe it already tries to sync the information of the position. We can kind of try to confirm that by checking out so should be unreachable, that's okay, but what is the ID? So the ID is 1. So the server already sent its own character's position to the client before the client had any time dealing with creating the character for the server. So this is kind of what we ran into. And this was not a problem before because we only sent very minimal amount of data. And the game was pretty fast. Now it's getting slower and I'm also streaming in the meantime. So my computer is very slow and this makes these kind of errors to pop out. And what I don't want to do is just ignore, because trying to get non-existent character resource network ID 1. Okay, I could just have read it literally. But anyways, because this should be unreachable. We should not get to this point. So this is not the point which should be handling this problem. It should be the characters. Well, where is the syncing point? Where are we syncing here? So update character positions. So this update character positions should check if character ID in I guess character resources and then this is what it should handle it. Because, well, as this is multiplayer, so asynchronous things happen all the time. We have to make sure that those don't break the game. But in the meantime, we also want to make sure that if we make a bug, the game will just, crash at the point where there is a bug. So we want to know if we made a mistake, but also have to be prepared for very flexible things here. Alright, so now the game is actually doing nothing. That's weird. Did I just break something? So is the create character never get called now? Did I break the server here and not send? Maybe I was wrong all along. Maybe it's the server that's doing something wrong. RPC, it sends server name, sends bulk player data, receive bulk player data on the client. Let's just try adding this debug message there. I'm curious what's up with that. People have been quite quiet in the chat recently, which is okay. If you don't want to talk to me, you don't have to. And interestingly, this never gets called. Never ever. Then I guess I was wrong. I was wrong with this, and I can still trying to abuse this system. But I need to test what's up with the server there. So why isn't also when we join, where is the join game? Join, oh, that should be somewhere around here. Join game, that's nothing when connected, okay. Receive player data, my name, and then enter lobby. So this happens, that's fine. I think, because connected is printed here. And the UI elements, yeah, I mean, join game prints something. Receive bulk player data never prints. So in the case of server, I mean, print debug, port number, I guess we can try this. What else do I need? So this one works. Port number. When connected OK happens, that is equivalent to the receive new player. What? Receive new player data. And then I guess we can just become a server here, create a game. And then here we can run the game and join. Localhost. Okay, so that's the problem. The server runs into an error, and that's why it's no. I spent 20 minutes without actually running the server in the debugger to find out what's not working. Invalid get index on base dictionary because all player data or character res only contains my own data. Okay, so this breaks because the server first. Okay, this I did not see that coming, and I should have. So it broke because the server wants to send the data back with this receive bulk player data, but actually the server never receives So the server have not added that character yet, but already compiled. Okay, so it's trying to compile, because it's trying to compile the list of all players, even the one that just joined, even though we did not yet deal with that. Yeah, this should not. This is stupid. I'm sorry. I made a big mistake with this. This is what it should be doing. I should not use that and run and join game at localhost. And now we're talking. Add character in base node 2D. Alright, nice. Now we're talking. So this one will require player data, and the player data will have to be received here. But it's not player data, it's character data. Or is it? It should be character data. Character data, and we should be waiting for this receive new player data. Receive new player data and my name, and also that's a problem. There's a problem because we don't yet have our own character data here. So this was not a good idea after all. Alright, this took some time to figure out, but we figured it out. It's not a good idea here to deal with all of this. We will have to synchronize that some other way. Yeah, we cannot do this here, unfortunately. Okay, let me just check what I modified here. Okay, print, just some debug information, and added a new format and game scene, add character data. Yeah, we should remove that too. Fortunately, this is not going to work this easily. Maybe. Maybe I'm not, no, I don't know what I'm doing here. Maybe I need to just request the server to send me all the data and then send the data when I enter the map. I don't know. It's more complicated than I thought, but if I think about it hard enough, I guess I can figure out a solution. So one of the solutions would be just do what I did. But that I would send my data over, but when do I set my own? Okay, let's do it. So transition handler. How do we, let me just check the graph. So when I join the game and I'm connected, I enter the lobby, switch to the game scene and load lobby map and load map, and that's it. Alright, but there is another graph here of switching between lobby and game map. So whenever we load the map, loop through set spawn position, spawn character, get character resource, and spawn character and set position. So when we load the map, we just we do load map here too, and then we do load map here too. But in the load map function of the game, where do we create the character resources? We create the character resources when we join. We don't create them later, we just kind of reposition them. So whenever remove previous map, load map, and place it on scene tree, and just spawn characters as spawn points, which will just move the characters. We are not destroying and recreating these character resources. It do make sense. So when we add character, when we enter the lobby, receive bulk player data and save received for all play. Yeah. Now first enter lobby, load map, and then That's it. We only create the character for ourselves once we received all this data from the server. And then in the receive bulk player, because in the enter lobby, when do I create my own character? Well, if I'm a server, that's different, right? Because if I'm a server, no, if I'm a server, I'm sorry, that's a different image. Because if I'm the server, I just create my own character right away. And when switching between the maps, we do not create characters. In any case, what I need is a function on the server that receives character data. And this will just be a character data dictionary. That is for sure. And this will return nothing. What this function is going to be doing is receive the character data, deal with it, and then maybe it will call an RPC to everything and call a function called receive character data client. And this will be server. So make a puppet function var id int, and it is equal to let's make it sender id. That makes more sense. It's the RPC sender id and then character data. And this one is going to be game scene dot set character data id and character data. In the game scene we will have a set character data function where an ID and the character data ID, which is an integer, and character data that is dictionary will be received, and then what it will do is character var character resource equals character get resource ID. And then I guess character dot set appearance character data outfit and colors. I'm gonna figure this out soon. Set character data, character resource, get character, and yeah. And then character resources, set appearance, we'll just do this. That should work. And the connections will just receive character data as a client, and the same thing we can do in the server. Sender ID. Alright, so this is something. We have a function that receives the characters data server, and then there is something else, and then whenever someone joins, we can, oh no, whenever someone joins, we can also have a master function from the server that just will send all the data. Now let's focus on this one. So first of all, I need to receive the character data as the server. So maybe I will have to have a function on the client to send my character data. And this will be void. This will be just I guess it should be compiling its own data. So how do I do that? I get my own character resource. Something, or I can copy something from this. Character resource, characters get character resource ID. What is my ID? How do I check for my own ID? This is a very long ID. Yeah, this is what I need as ID. And I get the character resource, and then character resource, yes, and then player data is a dictionary. Character as this will be ID, and then only strings can be used as index and the base type character resource. Oh, because we already have the character resources around here. And RPC ID 1, and that is going to be receive character data server and then player data. Or character data rather, that should be character data. So I can call this send character data from the game once I loaded the map. Why don't I just send my character data to server using connections dot send character data. Will this even work? When the connection send character data, then it's RPC to the server to receive character data server, and then this is received here. Then it calls out receive data. Receive character data. Okay, so let's just try if the game runs at all after all this. Should be unreachable. Alright, send character data. ID is 1. Character resources is empty yet because I have not created my own character. Because when I am the server, I enter the lobby first and then add my character to the map. That means this is not the appropriate place for this function to be called from. But from the add character, and my ID should be this. I mean, this looks very, very hacky. Not gonna lie, it looks a little bit hacky. Assertion failed, missing outfit data. Because we're calling apply appearance for some reason with empty dictionaries. Why do we do that? I don't know, because the stack does not tell me. Oh, because this is coming from a call deferred, right? This is coming from a call deferred from here. Set appearance, new outfit. Where was it called from? That's what I need to figure out with the empty things. So I'm gonna put a breakpoint over here. And let's see, is this when you get empty? Yes. Who called you with empty things? Set character data. Who called you? Receive character data server. Add character. Huh. Create game. Okay, so when I just create the game and I add my own character, then my network ID is my ID, so I will send my connection, send character data. That's nice. But why is the new character resource? Numbers, what is it? Character. Because the character did not set its appearance yet when it happens. Why did it not? When apply appearance to the character. Yeah, why don't we apply the appearance to the character? That's the problem here. Did I accidentally delete this? Oh no. So new character resource dot set appearance. And what are those two? New outfit and new colors. So new outfit is just going to be appearance dot custom outfit and appearance dot custom. No. What are the colors and the outfits in the appearance? Current outfit and current colors for some reason. I did not guess that. Current colors, alright. Now, okay, it's only a breakpoint, so let's give it a try. Yeah, now it works. But I have a guess that when I send it, so because I am the server right now, whenever I set So I add my character wherever this game, send character data. So when I get to the send character data point, which is here, let's jump into this. For some reason, even though I'm the server, I am RPCing the receive character data server function here. No? Damn. Stop. Again. I clicked something that I shouldn't have. Jump into this. Character, get character resource. Ah, yeah, we get the character resource. We do this, we set, and then we need to jump into this. So, for some reason, the server acts like it received the character data, and then it goes back to set the character data. Character set appearance, and then set the appearance again. I mean, this might not be a problem because this would just mean that, I guess if let me just run this as a server again. And I should remove the breakpoint. Let me just run this as a server. Yeah, it works, very nice. And if I run this as a client and try to join, all right. For some reason, so the server did not break. And we got the correct appearance from there. Which is nice. Can I just start it once more and probably kill my computer in the process? Run. Can you run another instance? Oh, no. It seems like it cannot. Alrighty. So now let's get the tables turned and create a game here. And then join as a client here. So let's remember that this is how that looks, and now both of the characters look like my character if I'm a client, which is kind of weird, not gonna lie. Let me run again. Okay, so create a game. Definitely we got this long-haired dude in a tuxedo, and then if I create or join the game here, with my pink dude, I get, or pink lady in a hat rather, then so that works over there. So the server receives our data, we don't receive this data from the server. I'm just wondering, why do we set the other character the same as ours? That's something I don't know. So the server receives that data. And then I guess the next step would be also to ask the server for everyone else's configuration, but I'm already streaming for more than 1.5 hours and I'm getting tired. But I think this is nice progress, so I will check my Git status. Why is the UI elements icon character have changed? Oh, the TSCN. I did not do anything to this, so I want this to be restored to its original form. Okay, the other things I know what I've changed, so I will just git add all and then git commit, and this will be work in progress, syncing the custom character looks to server. Which is the part that works? Sending it to the server works. Receiving it back from the server does not. So I guess that's where we are at the moment, and if we check out our GitHub, then this branch is 4 commits ahead, 58 commits behind main. Well, I guess I should also push whatever I'm doing here. And then I can playable character had pushes less than a minute ago, and then pull request syncing. It's not base main, no. It's going to playable character. Create a pull request. Does not have to be committed. Oh my. Maybe it should be. Maybe first I should have just can I just do it here like no, probably I cannot do it. Anyways, thank you for watching this very long and very fruitful stream. So next time we are trying to fix that the custom character looks are not just sent to the server, but are properly received from the server too. And well, I'm not sure if I'm going to do that on a stream or I'm just going to implement that during the week when I have some free time. But anyways, videos will be coming out sooner or later. Share, subscribe, like, leave a comment, follow me, check out my social media and other stuff that you can. I always play this twice because it's really fast and I was too lazy to make the animation longer and slower, so instead I just play it twice. But anyways, thank you for coming and see you next time. Bye.